Yes, good morning, all. Ma. Hope you are all doing good.
Good morning,
Yes,
ma'am.
yeah, good morning. I'm seeing the students who are joining, Ma. That is the reason. I'll start with it, and I could see very less strength. Why? Because of Saturday. What is the reason?
Because of winter, I think.
Because of winter. It is going to continue for next 2 months till March. Then we'll finish off with the syllabus by March. Then okay. Anyways, I'll be back. Like, see, I guess like we have done with what all the things. Just a quick revision. Who will tell? Not Sarah Beg again.
Ma'am, can I?
Apart from Sarah Beg.
Can I?
Yeah, with pleasure.
Okay. Yesterday we learned about the types of computer whereas it involves analog, digital, and hybrid.
Yeah.
Digital computer was based on three characteristics: size, function, and purpose.
Huh.
Digital computers work on discontinuous or discrete data.
Huh.
They work as counting and converting digits. Binary digits is called bits. They are in the binary form. It is very fast, efficient, accurate, and reliable, which
Okay.
is used in home mostly in homes and offices. Example, watches. Analog computers accepts the data and signals. Analog computer
Huh.
process the information and send it to digital computers. And to work on
Okay.
the continuous data, it is used to measure physical quantity like pressure, temperature, speed. Example, waves. It
Hmm.
is mainly used for scientific and engineering purposes. They are
Yes.
faster than digital computers, but not accurate as digital computers. As the
Yes.
result changes from time to time, they are
Okay.
very less used.
Okay.
Whereas the hybrid computers is the combination of digital and analog computers. They work on continuous and discontinuous or discrete data. Uh,
Okay.
they, uh, the use of hybrid computers is increasing day by day. It is more realistic than digital or analog computer.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Like whatever we have covered is being said by Amina. Very good, Amina, for that. Yes, I hope rest of the girls even understood what she has explained. And I don't think so. There will be any doubts, but still, if you have any, let me know. Both less strength hai ma when compared, not even 60. I don't know why, from which branch it is lowered. Why the strength has gone down. Let me look after that before going into the class. Okay. Today I'll explain rest of the things like just give me some time. Yes, coming to digital computers, like what were the classification which we have seen? When coming to digital computers, the data, the input flow is taken as clock pulses. Yes, and when coming to analog computers, it will be taking as
Signals. Input data is taken as signals and
signals. Yes,
converted
it's
into
yes,
converted.
somewhat like wavy things. Okay, now I'll
Yes.
take a screenshot and upload one so that it would be understandable for you all. Simultaneously we'll go with this. Okay, this is what I'm doing is now I'm taking it as for your understanding, ma, not for writing the notes, wherein for the notes I'll post it later. See, girls are joining now also. Yes, girls, you could see something on the screen. Yes, this is the representation, like you could see the clock pulses. Okay, I hope you're all understanding. This is the form of digital computers where the input is given in the form of, like, this is the way data flows in the form of clock pulses. Okay, now as I said, yes, the whatever the types of computer, digital, analog, and hybrid. And coming to digital, first we had classification by purpose, then classification by size, and classification by function. So let us discuss the first part today. What is the purpose wise? See, the purpose wise can be discussed as special purpose and general purpose. Okay, so we ourselves know if it is special purpose means if it is aimed at only doing the task. Now suppose what I want
Ma'am,
to
your
say.
voice is breaking.
Yeah, just a moment, ma. That is the reason I got late for the class also. Like my network is not supporting me once again, and it's totally fully bandwidth.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
That's what, ma, I'm getting connected with other one. Wait. Just give me some time. Not even time. Just yes. Mahin Ahmad. Yes, is it okay now, ma?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
done? Yeah, done. So, special purpose, as the name itself suggests, what does the name suggest? Special purpose means they are used for doing only some specific task. Now, suppose, though it is digital computer, what I want to say is something it is, the system is mannered in such a way, is designed in such a way that it has to go with some, the number of telephone calls made by whatever per day, where it has to calculate, then it is intended to do only that work. Okay, that is what you call it as special purpose. These computers, like, they are designed only to perform a specific task accordingly to the necessity of the users, or it could be an institution or an organization, depending on their day to day basis work activities, their routine. Okay, and so obviously you could not call these computers as versatile because they are not general purpose machines. They are intended to do only some specific task. Yes or no? एक ही काम से है तो एक ही आता है, दूसरा नहीं है. Like versatile means, having many adaptable flexible features is what you call it as versatile. But here it is not that. They do only that work and then finish off with the work whatever has been assigned on a daily basis. उससे ज़्यादा they could not perform. So they are called as special purpose computers. Yes, and one important point is they are embedded. Nausheen, Ruksar, Sana, mute yourself. I could hear my voice, ma. Please mute. Yes, thank you. Yes, what is happening is, like, as I said, rather than standalone, बोले तो एक इंडिविजुअल कंप्यूटर के ऐसा नहीं रहता है विच आर डिजिटल कंप्यूटर्स लाइक दे आर नॉट स्टैंड अलोन कंप्यूटर्स और स्टैंड अलोन पीसीस इंडिविजुअल पीसीस नहीं रहते व्हेन कमिंग टू स्पेशल पर्पस डिजिटल कंप्यूटर्स they will be embedded बोले तो wrapped up they will be into another system okay they will be it's not actually a computer system what I want to say some sort of circuits or some sort of manipulations which could be done they will be embedded in the sense they will be placed समझो if you even take something like prior there how we used to get the bill nowadays also depending on from and to the current bill yes or no what is happening yes you are getting only that particular bill whatever for the month yes or no but if you go for DMart also that is also a computer what is happening there it only scans the barcode and it takes the input and displays the price of the product yes or no it is also a computer don't you think this whatever scanner is there and the computer the monitor pay display hora price yes or no so they are intended only to do specific tasks. The best examples like your electricity bill generator machine and your DMart. When you go, not only DMart, my any shopping mall, what is happening? They'll see the barcode, they'll generate the bill on the system, and that gets. Are they doing any Word? Are they doing any PowerPoint? Nah. But still, they are getting some stuff out of the system. They are making the system use in another way. That is what you call it as they are embedded means something which goes on the work which is carried on is embedded into a system so that you call it as special purpose where they are not versatile hope you are all understanding ma
Yes, ma'am.
yes here they have cited the example as telephone call pulses like whatever the calls made display the amount payable can only serve this purpose not only telephone as I have said if it is electricity also you could do and moreover now I have discussed even the machines in the malls yes they have only particular application software yes or no only they'll do that task only specific task okay then coming to general purpose computers yes when the name itself suggests general purpose like it's used for commercial purpose like it could be for education or it could be for institution or it could be for anything else okay
Entertainment.
it is used to calculate accounts writing the letters posting the mails it could be anything else whatever the user want to do listening to music watching movies it could be edutainment simultaneously education and entertainment yes where you people can send the messages through mails when your system is connected to internet whatever general purpose for all it serves for all the purposes then you call it as general
General
purpose yes
purpose
what are the
computer.
yeah so what are the purpose wise they are the special purpose computers and general purpose computers I hope I am clear with these two sub classification of digital computers okay so I'll go with the next if you are done yes if it is classification by size ma size के हिसाब से as we have discussed prior generation में mainframes था means big sort of thing where like what do you say for exclusively though for scientific purposes but still they were huge in size yes as the generations were going on then the size of the computer got reduced like today we could see as I said notebook computers so digital computers one is by purpose which is nothing but special and general the next one is classification by size what we are discussing now so it could be microcomputer mini computer programmable laptop PCs mainframe supercomputers all this come under your classification by size I repeat girls the classification by size goes as microcomputers mini computers mainframes supercomputers PCs and
Ma'am, again your voice is breaking.
programmable computers on my voice is breaking again is it okay now
Yes, ma'am.
yeah okay so laptops notebook computers like this programmable computers you could call it them as PDS personal digital assistants yes, जैसा कि आपका टैब बोलते हैं ना, yes, personal digital assistant, where you could do everything else as a computer, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are all categorized as your size function, like digital computers categorized by, classified by size. Okay, first one you could see microcomputer. Micro, bole to something microwave oven. What do you mean by micro? Something which is small, mini, small. Okay, so it is a small, relatively inexpensive computer with a microprocessor as its central processing unit. So what is the, if it is coming to microprocessor, sorry, if it, yeah, microcomputer, what is there? Microprocessor is the processor, like it does all the processing. Okay, you just understand this, girls. It is very easy, actually no explanation needed, but we have to learn. Okay, and don't worry about these notes. I'll post it clearly in your Google Classroom for both the branches. Okay, ma. काय नाही, huh? नाही. Yes, girls, you could go through this. Just a moment. క్లాస్ వచ్చిందని చెప్తున్నారు, చెప్పు. క్లాస్ లింక్స్ వచ్చినాయి చూడమని. నండి ఒక్కొక్కసారి ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది వైఫై. అదే, సీ దట్ సంథింగ్ రిగార్డింగ్ స్టోరీ టెల్లింగ్. ఎస్. Now, coming back, guys, yes, you could see some description about microprocessor, or the microcomputer, where microprocessor is the means of like processing the data which is embedded in the CPU, and like it is the smallest category of the digital computers which we could see. The microprocessor itself becomes the ALU, arithmetic logic and control unit. Yes, yes, as it is a system, everything goes as with the RAM and ROM. And yes, now we have this operating system where it supports on single user operating system, like one user can do one task at a time. That is what you call it as single user operating system. One user can work out with only one operating system, like the system contains only one OS where it does a task. Okay, so that is what you call it as single user operating system. Yes, what is this operating system and types of operating system? There are around 16 types of operating systems. Okay, not the examples, like you have single user, multi-user, single processor, multi-processor, multitasking, single task operating system. Like that, operating systems are categorized where you have separate unit for that, which I'll discuss. But here you understand, see, microcomputers are supported by using single user operating system. Girls, please try to understand the terminology. Yes, so even we know, like, see, one user per computer. We see this scenario at home. Yes or no? Now, if your system is running and even it is connected to internet also, and the classes are going on, can you and your one of your siblings join with the same computer? Is it possible, girls?
No.
Yes, you could take the best example as, what is it? Home computers and personal computers are examples of your microcomputers. Okay, ma. So coming back, what are the important points? Microcomputers are designed for individual use. Itta yaad rakho, a key point, then you could elaborate. Like where there is a microprocessor which acts like a CPU of this. Microprocessor itself is the CPU, where it does the processing of ALU and CU, and moreover, it works. They are supported by single user operating system. And the best examples, as it is for individual use, home computers, like home computer and one and the same, it's a personal computer. The PC, it serves only one person at one single point of time. That is the best example. Am I clear, girls? Please let me know. Yes, the second one is mini computers. They are again general purpose computers. Obviously, they'll be more expensive. Yes, because of the why the sort of expensive? Because of the processors which are being used. समझो अगर single operating system है, well and fine. If the system contains more than one operating system where the user could switch in between those operating systems, obviously if two operating systems are there, then building such a system is expensive. Do you agree or not? Yes, girls. So mini computers are general computers which are more expensive than your microcomputers, and yes, they can support multiple input output devices. That is the reason. Agar expensive reason hai, if the point mentioned is expensive, then you should logically think kai ko costly hai. When it is single user, single operating system, then yes, it is affordable. If it is expensive, then there is something more which we are adding or which the system could take into. So what is that which the system could take? It could allow multiple users at multiple input output devices. Okay, so even you have like 16 or 32 or 64-bit microprocessors, and you could see like what are all the processors which could be used, like Intel 80386 and 80486. Girls, this is not said by me, like the processors, ab jaisa ki apne ko naama hai, Intel names the processors. Yes or no? If I call Nazmeen, then she'll respond. If I call Mariam, then she'll respond. If there are two girls with the same name, I call them with their branch. Yes or no? So what is happening? This what is, don't get confused, madam. Intel 80386 and 80486. Yes, don't get mistaken. They are the things which are. अब देखो Apollo 11, Apollo 12 क्या है वो? Does anyone know what is Apollo 11, Apollo 10? Apollo 11 probably, not even 10. What are they? Hospitals? Yes, girls, we are into science. What are Apollo? Don't search in Google. Come on. Respond immediately.
Pharmacy, ma'am. Apollo is a pharmacy also.
Pharmacy.
It's hospital also, ma'am.
Yes. Apollo 11, according to me, is satellite where Neil Armstrong landed through in the space. Do you all know that? The first person to land on the
Yes.
moon. Apollo
Yes,
11.
Neil Armstrong.
Processors are the one which are named by the people, the Intel, okay, Pentium processors. You know what is a processor at this point of time? So what I want to say is, madam, what are these 80386 and 80486? Khai these 786. वीर ज़ारा, ये तो अपने को मालूम रहता जल्दी, या तो अमिताभ बच्चन का सिनेमा, नहीं तो शाहरुख खान का सिनेमा. वीर ज़ारा, yes or no?
Yes.
Huh? But we don't know what is Apollo 11. Unfortunately, being citizens of India, okay, try to get into the things stuff. Yes, girls.
God.
Yes, coming back. So mini computers. Yes, when I said they are expensive, so they could adopt multiple, more than one keyboard or more than one sort of output devices. Yes. Ab madam kaisa connect karte? Now what is happening is like through some means, what is happening with the same processor, you could connect to a TV, or even now also the televisions are smart enough that they are acting as your computers. Yes or no? So this is what you could make, what you call it as technology. Yes. So yes, here I want to discuss one more thing, like mini computers. It is between the mainframes and personal computers. Okay, now what is mainframe? Yes, mainframe computers are very large size computers. Yes, and they are capable of handling large amounts of data, that too very fastly. And when again, here I repeat, girls, see, one point is, if you catch one point now, then it is, this is what you call it as logical thinking and logical understanding which we need. Yes, I repeat the point. Mainframe computer, it's very large size. computer which is capable of processing huge number of instructions with very faster and quicker rate. Yes. Then अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ data quickly process होता है, then obviously there will be lots of memory which is needed for the instructions to be stored and processed. So what happens in mainframe computers? They have more main and secondary storage, and they contain multiple CPUs. I hope you are all understanding, girls. Please don't get confused with what I'm explaining. Listen to my words carefully. It's just matter of your understanding. Mainframe computers are very large size computers where they could process the instructions very fastly. अगर instructions fastly process कर रहा है तो क्या हो रहा है? As we have discussed in for beginning classes, whatever the input data is given, that is being stored in the memory or registers, and then for faster processing. Yes or no? Do you remember?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? If it is the data is done in a faster manner, if the processing is done in faster manner, then the mainframe computers even are able to accommodate multiple operating systems, and even the the main or the secondary storage area is also very much vast for the mainframe computers. So coming back to the girls, when coming to mainframes, I'll explain, ma. Don't worry. Ita to, you know what, now you know what is mainframe computers, yes or no? So coming back to your mini computers, so the whatever the capabilities are there, they lie between your personal computers, like you could say as microcomputers, and more of your mainframe computers. Okay. So, but less memory and more processing capabilities than a mainframe. So mainframe में क्या features है बेटा? They process the data very quickly, and they have large memory and large main and secondary memory. So you could make out of this point that when compared to mainframe computers, these computers contain less memory and
Capability
a
of
bit
processing
low
is also
processing
less.
capabilities than the mainframe.
Mainframe.
Okay, so you could see many computers can be used for systems like ticket reservation or banking. Yes, obviously. Banking में कैसा बोलो? The person with the same account at one time he will deposit. एक cashier दूसरा रहता है. Where he goes for withdrawing. Have you ever gone to bank?
Yes.
You could see the scenario. हमेशा एक के पास ही जाके you will do all the transactions?
No.
No. When you want to withdraw, you'll go to one person. Yes.
Yes.
If you want to deposit, you'll go to one person. When the something check has to be released, you'll go to another person. Yes or no? But wherever you are going, your data is there with each and every person. Yes or no? Even ticket reservation also, like do all the persons of entire country go to the same place?
No.
But with the same system which is available in Kachigoda station or Secunderabad station, they are able to book their tickets. Not even वहां तक जा रहे हैं, नहीं. Even from your home also you are doing the things.
Online, yes.
Yes or no? So
Yes.
you could take out this, and yes, many computers use Unix as their operating system. It was prior to your Windows, and like programming languages like C was developed with Unix operating system, Linux Unix. Okay, Unix is nothing but a sort of operating system. जैसा अपने को Windows मशहूर है ना, at that days it was Linux and Unix. Like if you have to do one thing, why you, I want to, girls, when I'm telling now, don't ignore my words. These are very important ones because they will be going on throughout your terminology. Basically, Unix is the operating system, like DOS commands, वो ये बोलते हैं ना, for disk what do you say? Some sort of commands. Then you go for Linux and Unix. They are the operating systems used at those days. Okay, so DOS बोल के था, disk operating system. By these operating systems, they work on only commands, not on GUI. ठीक है ना? So this is what about your mini computers. Any doubts till now what I have explained, ma? Please let me know.
No, ma'am.
All of you, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Unix, it's an operating system, ma. Linux, Unix. उसमें ना if I want to go deeper, shell programming बोल के रहता है. So basically for commands at initial days, the popular operating system.
Was this
Okay,
Unix a programming language, ma'am?
it's an operating system, ma.
So, how any language was used for coding
It's
this?
a
Like,
software like command prompts, commands.
no. My question is, are these softwares made by programming languages?
Like I did not get you.
We use programming languages for designing applications, and also I am asking, how are this software used? Used to make, like how we will make softwares.
Softwares are made through programs only. Yes, obviously.
So,
Some
programming
sort
language.
of programs clubbed together, then it makes a, what do you say, some sort of coding. No specific language for that when designing the OS.
Okay. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Still any doubts? See, like operating system.
Join me. If I click on link and join, it is saying could not connect.
Let me see. Wait. So, like, see, we have discussed that operating system. Like, what is happening? The user applications with the system hardware. Operating system by itself does not provide any function, but it will be providing an atmosphere in which different applications and programs can do useful work. As I said, backbone, operating system is the backbone. Yes or no? So if it is
Yes.
a backbone, without that the human cannot stand or sit or whatever. But apart from that, does it do any work? What I want to say is, it is a construct which allows whatever the user does, and so as to interact with the hardware of the system, or you could call it as operating
Interface.
system acts as a media between the user applications and the system hardware. Okay, and it does not provide any function by itself, but it provides an atmosphere where different applications and programs can do useful work.
Okay, yes. And this means it's just an interface between user
Yes.
and hardware and software. It is not
E-
doing anything else.
yes,
Okay.
that's all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Because now to be very particular, like as I said, what are the functions of operating system? It's like memory management, input output management, file management, user interface. So there will be some sort of kernel, shells, commands. Yes, that's all. Operating system which operates the system.
Yes.
Still any?
No. It's clear. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, coming back. Yes, you could see programmable computers are nothing but here, as I have discussed earlier, personal digital assistants, programmable, something meant for programming. Okay, they are the smallest computers which could be programmed by the user. Like your best example could be the PDAs, latest mobiles, address books, etc. fall under this category. Yes, personal digital assistants. See, when I'm saying this word personal digital assistants, like they serve you as your assistant, some sort of reminders or some sort of minds or some sort of any work to be carried out, where you could make stuff out of this programmable computers. They have the capabilities of keeping track of appointments, meetings, yes, the call lists, SMS, image and video capturing. Okay, so Bluetooth communication, calculator, notepad, MP3 players, iPods, whatever. Programmable. iPod is also a programmable. Even it comes under PDA. Why? Why, ma?
It's a personal.
Yes, it's personal, where you could listen whatever you want. Rather than what is today's generation, which we are seeing. Like advertise during the widespread of corona, there was advertise of this. Newest technology क्या है बेटा? Alexa,
Yes, ma'am.
do you remember or not
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
what it does?
Google Assistant.
Yes.
भैया का फोन रख के दी हूँ, मिराज दीदी फोन कर रहे, मिला के देती हूँ.
Huh? Who is that? Yes or no? What it will do, whatever you want, like it will be telling for you. Just by speech recognition, yes or no? By just speaking, it will make it is, yes, virtual assistant. It makes the things happen. Yes, laptop. I think there is no need to say about laptop, girls. Come on. So they are placed on our lap. People could carry while traveling. You could say it as a mobile computer. Yes or no? Without any power connection, but it has to be fully charged. Without power, prior you make use of it, it has to be make. You should ensure that you should be sure that it has been charged. Yes, and they are commonly used at homes and exclusively for personal purposes. Yes or no? They are very lightweight and they contain all the features of desktop and personal computers. Yes, they have LCD display. What do you mean by LCD? Liquefied crystal display. Okay. And yes, even we have technology like LED, light emitting diode screens also. LCDs and LEDs. Yes or no? Like it is a trend today of both the computers and flat displays. LCD, LED, light emitting diodes. Acha. Now I want to explain this also. What makes the picture come? पहले के जमाने के televisions आजकल ना not on the wall, what you call LCDs and LEDs. What was the technology used prior in your televisions? Not only televisions, even our monitors of computer. Tell me.
Picture tube, I think.
Very good. Yes, it was a picture tube. Picture tube where the element, like every picture, it consists of pixels. Pixels, not pigels. Pigex. Pixels. Pixels. Pix means picture. Else means elements. Picture elements. Okay. So it is a picture tube. You call it as CRT, cathode ray tube, which emits the light, and then it is the screen which gets for us. Okay, so this whatever the so-called technology like CRTs or the picture tube, cathode ray tube. Okay, so that is being replaced. That jo bhi hai na andar, like a mic sort of thing, something mic. You know what is a mic? Not the one which we hold in hand. Olden days mic. It was like with a triangle with some sort of shape, circle shape in front. I'll try
Speakers
to,
like.
yeah, speakers like, I'll try to make it out if possible. I don't assure. So that technology, whatever the picture tube or CRT, it has been replaced by LCD, the crystal display, as itself suggests, liquefied crystal display. And whenever you point, now even your mobile phones also, if you touch very zor se aap touch kare na, what will happen? There will be some sort of impression on that backside, shadow ke jaisa dikhta. So they are that sensitive, which is making your LCDs and LEDs work out. Like that is the technology. So laptop computers are now available with LEDs, light emitting diodes screens also. Okay, so I'll discuss PCs, mainframe, and super tomorrow as I'm running out of time. So we'll wind up the types of computers on Monday. Prior that, whatever till I have done, I'll try to forward the notes, or otherwise, once I finish, I'll forward the notes. Okay, ma?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubts? Let me know. And Malakpet girls, please raise your hands, ma. I'll take the attendance. Issue pending. Girls, I hope you are all following without any doubts. I hope you are not just listening to the classes and forgetting immediately.
No, ma'am,
Yes.
it's very good class. We are understanding very
Yes.
nicely.
Okay. Yes, that's all. 15 girls from Malakpet. $16. Okay. Girls from Malakpet, please raise your hands, ma. $17. I guess you are raising your hand in the home, not in the mobile. Huh? Then you are realizing and raising here. मोबाइल में हाथ उठाओ, मलकपेट ब्रांच. अरे see again, after second it is getting to 16. Yes. Okay, girls. Okay, ma. I'm lowering all the hands. Thank you for that. Any doubts in today's session, ma?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes.
So classification by purpose. What were they? Special and general.
General.
Yes, where special purpose are not versatile, whereas general purpose are versatile.
Multiple
Versatile.
functions.
Yes, key points,
Yes.
so that you could elaborate. Apart from that, we had classification by size. What were
Size.
they? Microcomputers, where
Microcomputers and mini
microprocessors was
Computers,
the
programmable computers,
yes,
laptop.
microprocessors was like it acts as both
Single user
CPU.
operating.
Yes, single user, and it is very inexpensive, and it is designed for individual use. Next, coming in mini computers, where their capabilities lie between mainframe and
And can
personal
support multiple
computers.
input-output
Mini
devices.
Yes, they support
They are
multiple
more
input
expensive
devices.
than other computers.
Yes, they
Because
are
operating system uses
expensive. Yes, they contain less memory, and even processing capabilities are less when compared to mainframes.
Mainframe
Yes,
computer.
and
Yes.
large number of computers can be connected to a network with
Yes.
mini computers
Mini
acting as a
computers.
server.
Server.
You could go through these points, okay?
Yes.
So ticket reservation or banking, and they are most commonly used operating system on such computers is Unix. Next is programmable computers, which are nothing but your personal digital assistants, or what you call it as PDS. Like PDS, where they give you some sort of reminders or some sort of meetings,
Mobile.
call lists, SMS or
Images.
image or video recording. Yes, some
Yes.
examples. And they can contain even accessories like calculators,
Calculator,
notepads, MP3
notepad,
players,
Camera.
etc. Cameras, yes,
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth. And laptop is nothing but where they are portable computers. Wherever you go, you could take them, and they are placed easily on the lap, and they work same like your personal computers or
Computers.
desktops. They have all the features of desktop or personal computer, and the laptop computers generally have LCDs, liquefied crystal
LCDs.
displays, and nowadays even the technology has been re-established with LEDs, light emitting diodes. Okay.
HD.
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Hey, yes. What does HD stand for?
High
High
definition.
definition.
High density.
Okay, density.
Why again HD?
Yes.
What is the purpose of HD? High density.
To clear more.
Clear.
Yes, the resolution of the picture will be more. Resolution is again related to pixels. The more the
Yes.
resolution of the pixels, then the more is the
Clarity.
vision clarity. Okay, it's not definition, it's density. Okay, high
Okay, ma'am.
definition, high density. Okay, then I'll end the
Yes.
session here. Thank you all for being there. See
Ma'am,
you
you
all on
send
Monday.
these notes today only, please, because tomorrow is Sunday. No, we can write.
Okay, now I'll send. What happens? I have not done with PCs, mainframes, and supercomputers. Then how? You tell me. Again, classification by function भी है. Server, workstation, embedded information appliances. फिर
Okay,
कल
okay.
एक बड़ा 1 hour you will make me मैडम वो लिखे ये लिखे ये नहीं लिखे वो नहीं लिखे places
Okay,
नहीं
ma'am,
छोड़े.
okay.
हाँ. Okay then.
Tomorrow you send.
Yeah. Take care then, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Attend
Okay,
all the
ma'am.
other classes, ma. What?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yeah, 1 second. Habibun what you want me to repeat? Habibun Begum, can you repeat once, ma'am?
Ma'am, picture tube.
Picture tube, ma, which is like which when we are seeing the picture now on the when we are seeing something on the display, yeah, color रहने दो या what do you say, black and white in olden days. So what is happening? It is the one which is responsible for working. अगर वो चला गया तो टीवी कुछ भी नहीं है. Picture tube या CRTs which is there in the computer. Cathode ray tube, light emitting diodes. Like they emit the light electrons के जैसा. Then it is because of that what do you say, fusion, which we are able to get the picture on the screen.
Future on. Yes.
Habibunisa, am I to you? Bibi Zainab, what reflector? Reflector, I did not use that word. Bibi Zainab, respond quickly. Running out of time. I have to have a class. Yes, ma Zainab. Reflector कुछ दिया आप? No doubts? I'll end the session, ma. Okay? Take care, all of you. And be regular.
Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma. Bye-bye. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Yeah. Today, Mariam is not there.
Yes, ma'am. She is not there.
Mhm.
Yes.
Even I could not see Sarah Beg also today. Husna Hussain, Iram, Juweria. Ruksar, are you there? She's there. Lubna, Samreen.
Ma'am, I am there.
Yes, I can see you. You are there.
You told you are not.
Hmm?
You told you are not able to see Sarah Beg. So I told I am here.
Okay, oh, yeah, you are there, Sarah. Okay. Okay, Sarah. Right. See, I'm assigning you the host. Like if any class, then I'll be there, but you could start it. You could admit people, okay?
Okay, ma'am.